Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my presentation on Journal of Computer Language. Here I am Abdullah Tamid. Let's see the overview of presentation first. The first topic is the core contribution novelty. Then second is the problem the author explained. Next, the solution of the problem, how the solution worked, how the solution is experimented, the new findings from the researchers, the limitation of the work, and lastly we will see an interesting things about this article. Let's start with the core contribution and novelty. Then the author approached a new way of software specification and validation for software. So let's see the problem that author addressed. When we write requirements for software, it's generally written in normal language, and when then we implement these requirements, it becomes confusion. So this is the problem. So what is the solution the author approach? The solution is autoreg. Autoreg for writing requirements. What is autoreg? Autoreg is a different approach for both writing requirements and verification. Here a new term comes, verification. Verification is important when the requirement is written and then when the requirement is implemented. If the requirement doesn't deal with the main needs of the system, then the requirement becomes useless. So requirement verification is important. That's how it works. Normally natural language requirements and environment requirement, autoreg takes these two inputs and then with these two inputs it converts them into a new format. The new format is rely on programming language. Next, how the solution is experimented. The solution is experimented on a landing gear system of an aircraft. Then the landing gear system. The landing gear system has a controller. The controller deals with two things. One is the gear extension and another is the gear retraction. Then what is the task? The task is program the controller so that the controller can give the correct signal to the door and also to the gear. So let's see what are the base requirement for our system. So our requirement one on handle has been pushed down, then the gear extended, door closed, and then if handle has been pulled up, gear up and door closed. If the handle remain down, retraction sequence is not observed. That means there will be no retraction. And if the handle remain up, outgoing sequence is not observed. That means there will be no outgoing for the landing gear. For this normal requirement convert to autoreg, we have to go through several steps. The first step we see the ASM approach. Here we take a ground model, then the model is checked. If new requirement is found, then repeatedly extended the model and add to the existing system. Next, requirement methodology. Here requirement methodology deals with two things. One is specify and reuse requirements and environment assumption. Next, specifying requirements. Here autoreg use programming language for specification, requirement specification, and for verifying autoreg use autoproof for verification. Structure controlling system. As it is a control system, landing gear system for an aircraft, so we have to structure the control system. So here we can see we have to overall structure of program, then the translation rules for temporal properties, then translation rules for timing properties, and last translation rule for ASM properties. This translation rules for temporal properties. Assume P1 environment assumption, consider the system under in mode CS, assumption C, then the translation scheme for P1 will be run under condition C, do assume C, then in the main under condition CS in. Then the translation rules for timing properties. P3 assume the system running in mode CS spends T time units to meet property P. Then the translation scheme will be do main under condition CS if not all P and P, then duration will be duration plus T in. Then convert the baseline requirement to autoreg. We have seen the baseline requirement before. Now we have to convert into autoreg. So this is the most important steps here. So if you consider the R11 requirement 11, handle has been pushed down. That was the requirement. For this, the autoreg will be assume the system run while with handle down. That means if assume handle down status is equal to down position and from retracted to extended. That means if handle status is equal to down, then that will be retracted to extended. Next, if we consider another example of requirement to handle remain down, then the autorec will be here. Do run with handle up. Assert gear status is not equal to extending state. That means if the handle remain up, then gear will not be extending. So lastly, after doing all the implementation, we can see this is the final result of landing gear system in autorec. So here we have to see that handle status may be up position or down position. Then the door status have 4 states. Assume the door status may be close position, opening position, open position, closing position, and the gear status have 4 steps. Then is extended position, extending position, retracted position, and retracting position. Then the gear may be extended or retracted with only the door open. That means if the door is open, the gear will be extended or retracted. And so that is why the gear status is equal to extending state or gear status is equal to retracting state. That means door is open position. If the door is closed position, then it is not extended or retracted. So door status is equal to closing position implies gear status is equal to extended position or gear status is equal to retracted position. So what are the new findings from these research? We see a new approach of specification requirement, that is autorec, and verification of requirement, that is we also found technology reuse, language reuse, specification reuse, and implementation reuse. Then limitation of this work. Here the work is not perfect. Here it has some limitation also. Let's see what are the limitation. The pattern given are not necessarily complete. Then more work is required to do determine how applicable autorec would be to a software process. The tool support is under development, and in seamless requirement autorec needs more validation. So last we will see the interesting things about these articles. As you know, programming languages are generally used for implementing the requirements, but here we use programming language for requirement specification. So this was an interesting thing. Last, thank you all of you. Assalamu alaikum.